n8n AI. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools or writing endless code for repetitive tasks, n8n might be exactly what you need. Originally launched as Noteworthy and later rebranded, n8n has quickly become one of the most popular open-source workflow automation platforms on the market. Unlike closed ecosystems, n8n operates under a fair code license, offering the best of both worlds, community-driven innovation and enterprise-level capabilities. Whether you're a solo developer or a global business, n8n gives you the flexibility to automate processes your way. Its visual workflow builder makes creating complex automations as simple as dragging and dropping. But don't be fooled by its no-code appeal. n8n also supports custom JavaScript and Python snippets, giving users the control to handle sophisticated logic and unique use cases. With 500+ integrations, n8n connects seamlessly to tools like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Claude, Slack, Notion, AWS, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB, making it a true hub for your entire tech stack. In 2025, its AI-native features stand out, enabling multi-agent AI systems, content generation, customer support automation, and advanced data workflows with ease. Security and compliance are top priorities. n8n supports self-hosting, SOC 2 compliance, encryption, single sign-on, role-based access control, and even air-gap deployments, ensuring your sensitive data stays protected. For businesses, the platform offers enterprise-grade scalability and permissions, making it a trusted choice for critical operations.